Welcome to Twinkle Tunes for Kids!
Hello, animals big and small. We love our pets, we love them all. This is our cow, it gives us milk, white and smooth as soft as silk. This is our sheep with wool so bright, it keeps us warm on a chilly night. This is our cat, it naps with ease, purring softly beneath the trees. This is our dog, so strong